The human brain, it's probably, definitely the most powerful tool at our disposal. Think about it. If it weren't for our brains, we would be outclassed by every other animal out there. They're physically much more superior, but our brain makes us dominate the food chain. And that is what today's video is about. It's not about animals, it's about how you can reach your 100% potential when it comes to making this big thing over here work. So, when you talk about brain, people just talk about IQ, intellectual quotient. Oh, this guy has an IQ of 200, he's a freaking genius. This guy has an IQ of 40, he's a retard. No, it's not just about that. IQ is just one part of the puzzle. There's 3 other parts of this puzzle that I want to talk about. That is EQ, your emotional quotient, SQ, your spiritual quotient, and PQ, the reason you watch this channel. That is the physical quotient. All of them put together, that's what completes the puzzle. That's what makes your brain completely developed. To give you a better understanding of the human brain, here's a picture of the human brain and different parts of it, what function it does and all of that. I think this is just something you should be knowing. All of us are either right-handed or left-handed. You can write really well with one hand, and the other hand, when you write, it looks like a 3-year-old is writing. So it's good to practice all sorts of skills that makes your brain develop in a complete all-rounder way. I hope that makes sense. And also I'm going to be talking about things you should definitely avoid. Watch the video. It's going to be really worth it. Worth your time for sure. So let's get started. Now I want to talk about the skills and habits you need to develop if you want to reach your 100% potential. The very first thing is get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every single night. You cannot miss this, because sleep is when your body rests and recovers, your hormonal profile is optimized, your muscles, your body, your brain, every single thing is dependent on how much sleep you get. The second thing is getting quality nutrition. Food is the fuel to your body and brain. So it becomes really important to get quality nutrition. In simple words, drink lots of water, avoid processed food, eat healthy, lean, whole, quality food like fruits and vegetables, lean meat, lentils, beans, unprocessed food basically. Avoid the junk. That's it. And the third thing, of course, exercise. Exercise is really important. It gets the blood flowing. It keeps your body working. Imagine if you have a car, alright? And you never run it. It just sits in the garage, catching dust, doing nothing. The parts are gonna get rusted. You're not maintaining it, you're not running it. You gotta give your body a reason to work, a reason to function. If you're just sitting in one place doing nothing, it's not gonna function the way it should, which means your brain is not gonna function as well. Brain is a part of your body, so exercise, it's a must. Don't miss on that. Apart from that, there's other skills that you need to focus on, such as martial arts, playing a sport. That really improves your balance and coordination, which really affects one part of your brain. And next, meditation and breathing properly. Meditation does to your brain what exercise does to your body. I am not going to speak much about meditation in this video, but know that it's really, really important. It helps you get that focus, that concentration, and man, you got to experience it to know how it feels. And breathing, you got to breathe right. Most people breathe from their throat, not from their diaphragm. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. People speak from their nose even. It's like, hey, I'm no. Take a deep breath in, speak from your diaphragm. So breathing right, it's important. It affects your brain directly. And also, what other skills can you work on? What are you interested in? Any sort of artistic or creative hobby. For example, I'm standing in front of this camera, sitting in front of the camera and making a YouTube video. That's creative. Drawing, creating some sort of art, that's creative. Playing some sort of a musical instrument, keyboard, guitar, drums, whatever it is, that's creative, that's artistic. You need to keep in touch with that artistic, creative part of your brain. That's really important. So those are some of the skills that I have. There's few others like solving a Rubik's Cube. I was fascinated with cubes as a kid. I started doing this. It's amazing, man. It's a nice skill to have. And recently I started writing with both hands. I'm a right-hander by nature, but left hand, I need to work on that. Also, there's another skill you need to work on, that is your social skills. We humans are very social creatures. We like to form a community. We have that herd mentality. going back to the caveman days and how we survived and all of that, humans are meant to be in a pack, in a group. I'm an introvert by nature. I like to do most of my work by myself, but that doesn't mean being a lone wolf is always the right thing to do. Whether it's your career, your relationships, whatever it is, understanding people, learning to communicate with people and expressing yourself, that's very important. Can you lead people? Can you express yourself the right way? Can you empathize with others? All of that, that's really important as a human being. So that's another skill which is a must have. So those are some of the skills that I have in my mind, and I think every single person should be working on that. And now let me talk about the things you should avoid. Don't be a knucklehead. Please don't. And don't do any of these. The first thing is, don't get intoxicated. Alcohol, drugs, weed, smoking, whatever it is. You're really taking away energy from your brain when you're doing that. I'm not saying don't ever have fun, drinking once in a while here and there, that's fine, but don't depend on it. Don't make it a part of your lifestyle. That's gonna ruin you. Your brain cannot possibly function at 100% if you're putting all sorts of toxins in your body. That's a horrible thing to do. Second thing, this is an interesting one. Concussions. Don't get them. There's concussions from sports and accidents which is unintentional, so it's alright. But then there's something like this. I don't even know what to say. You know what? There are sports such as boxing where you're bashing each other's brains out. That's bad for your brain, needless to say. And I saw this thing called slap bet. It's horrible. People are competing to see who can slap the hardest. The point of the game is you gotta stay on your feet once you get slapped real hard. That doesn't make any sense to me. Anybody with a functioning brain knows that it's really stupid. It's stupid. Stop doing that. And the third thing, don't waste your time on any sort of negativity. Whether it is toxic people in your life, fighting, arguing, complaining, any sort of violence, it's a waste of your time. It's a waste of your mental energy, your physical energy, and everything. Where are you going with your life with all that negativity? If something is taking you away from your goals, from whatever you're supposed to be doing, and making you feel bad, get rid of it. Just get rid of it. It's not worth it. Your mental health is really important, and you do so by surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded people and staying focused on whatever it is you want to achieve in your life. And that's it. Those are the habits you need to build and avoid. And now, just a fun fact, walnuts. Why do they look like a brain? So many people have asked me this, and even I've thought about it. So I did my research, and turns out, yes, it's not a coincidence that walnuts look like brain. Walnuts are a great food that you can have if you want to improve your brain function. The reason being, walnuts contain something called as ALA, alpha linolenic acid. Damn, I got the pronunciation right. So ALA is a fatty chain acid that is really essential for your brain function. So yeah, walnuts are great. Eat healthy, man. Eat healthy. The way you feel when you exercise and eat healthy and meditate and get the right amount of sleep, surrounding yourself with like-minded positive people, your life is going to be something else. That's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what videos do you want to see. You name it, I'll make it. And share this video to every single person who needs to use their brain, which is everyone. And until next time, take care, stay hungry.